Alright, so there's a new feature for the 21 model, and it's right down here under this black air dam. So for 21, and it's on all trims, you don't have to get a high-end trim. There is another air dam that lowers down when you get to a certain speed to help with reduced wind resistance and provide up to 4%, according to Ford, up to 4% more efficiency. So I don't know if that's up to 4% MPGs or what, but we're gonna hook a GoPro up here and we're gonna see if we can catch this thing in action. Alright, so I have the Joby suction cup mount connected to my GoPro here, and we're gonna see there's a air dam right here that lowers down when you get up to certain speed, and we're gonna see what happens there. And I'm just hoping my GoPro mount here holds up, because otherwise it's gonna be a bad day. So come on, Joby, do your thing. Here we go. Oh boy, I'm a little bit nervous. If you hear something like falling off the truck, then you can be like, hey, I think it fell off. Already? I don't think so. That's a good sign. Alright, we're gonna go over here where it's less bumpy. Alright, here we go. I'm thinking this thing should go down at 35 or 45 miles an hour. What do you mean it might have fallen off?
I think I saw it.
You think so, really?
Yeah.
Alright.
Huh?
I said, alright, we'll look at it. We'll go back and look. Huh? Well, I'm gonna hop out here and see if it's still there. You make me nervous. I don't know, we're still good. It's there. It's there, Joby. Off we go again. Oh, litter. Litter, not clutter. Yeah. Some people are not very nice. They just throw their trash into the world. Or Earth. That's correct. We're going 52 miles an hour, so we're going to turn down here. I think it's still there. I haven't seen it fly off. But we're going to hit a bump. We're going to hit the bridge up here. And I hope it doesn't go. I think it's still there. I think it's still there. You saw a kitten? I don't think turning here. Down here. Yeah. We're gonna turn on this street right here. So there we go. I was a little nervous with my GoPro mount, but it held out. So I'll put a link down in the description below for that. I'm pretty impressed with that. We got it to over 60 miles per hour and it was still hanging on. So if you're looking for a good GoPro mount, that does a good job. So as far as the air dam, it's pretty cool. Cool to see it come down, and it looks like it was around 50 miles an hour is when it really started to lower, but it may depend on the drive mode you're in. I was in the normal drive mode. In Eco, it might come down a little sooner, but still pretty cool to see the technology. And if you thought this video was interesting or helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, more videos coming soon. See ya.